Hey, what's going on, traders? My name is Chris King. I'm here for you guys to make sure that you're in these plays that I have been alerting for months and months and months and months. All right, so these couple of plays these few plays that I'm actually in, and a couple of our community members are in. I just want to make sure that everybody is on the boat ride, and if you're not on the boat ride, let's make sure that we're gonna get you on that boat ride. All right, we don't want you to chase these stocks. We want you to wait for these stocks to come down to these key levels that I'm about to get ready to call out to you guys. All right, so that being said, let's start off with the first one. Number one would be Ethereum. I love Ethereum. I've been alerting it since it was $600 to the community members, right? $600. So Ethereum currently at $4,163.15 current price, right? Current price right here. I like Ethereum all the way back down in the $2,000 range. If you see this $2,000 range, you need to be buying, right? We do have a price target of $10,000 actually. $10,000 is the price target for Ethereum, and that's just the first price target that that a lot of analysts has been saying, that I have been saying, and that's what we're going to. All right, I do believe that we will hit $10,000. Like I said, $5,000 first, and then we're gonna hit that $10,000 level right there. But if you're not into this play, which is Ethereum, I really want you to catch it right down here at the bottom in the $2,000 area, maybe the 2,800, 2,700, around these old candlesticks. So go ahead, set your alerts now for 3,000. So once it hit 3,000, you can be up in the breast and ready to actually get into this play. All right. So the next one, everybody's favorite coin, Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin might be a little pricey, you would say, right? So I did alert this to our community members when it was at 23,000. I'm still sitting in at $23,000 with a $35,000 average, because your dollar cost average up. The current price of Bitcoin is $65,683.31 at this current price. So right now, I would say get into this play at these old highs. If it comes up under $50,000, go ahead and start buying some coins or some fractions of a coins. Get some kind of skin in the game, because analysts do have this at $100,000 price target plus. Right, my first price target was $100,000. So people used to say, Chris, it's not going to $100,000. It's at 30,000. No, it's going to 100,000. And as you can see, it's headed that way right now. So look for it to come down a little bit. Look, set your alerts for 50,000. Right, even if you put $2,000, you still want some kind of skin in the game, because if this do become $1 million coin because of inflation, if this becomes $1 million coin, guess what? You have some skin in the game around the $50,000 mark or the $40-something thousand mark. All right, so and that's Bitcoin. I like Bitcoin anywhere in the 40s, perfect. Right, I don't believe that it's gonna come back down into the $30,000 area. If it does, it's a steal. Grab it. Right, I don't see a Bitcoin crash coming no time soon or at all. So you don't have to worry about a Bitcoin crash. Next crypto, and the last crypto. It is Cardona, ADA. All right, so Cardona currently at $2.21. So I did alert this to the community members when it hit $1.01. So it's a lot of us that's in this play. Congratulations for those who are in this play. But I like Cardona. Anytime it hit $2, if it goes below $2, set your alerts. Set your alerts right now. If it goes below $2, you need to be snagging it, right? $1.80. That's where our price target. That's where we want to get this. That's when we want to get in at. These old tops right here, right? This old candles, these old support levels right here, which is $1.80. So set your alerts for $2. Once it cracks $2 and go below that, that's when you need to be buying. That's when you need to be loading the boat, right? Cardona, I love Cardona. It is the future. We do have a $5 price target on this, right? So that would be a over 100% gain if it hits $5. But our ultimate price target would be $10, right? The next price target would be $10. So if this drops under $2, please get ready to load the boat. We'll start loading the boat, right? Anything under $2, load the boat. I love Cardano. You're getting it at a great price. As you can see, this stock ran all the way up to $3, $3 and some change, like $3.10, right? $3.10. This stock ended up going there around the beginning of September. So Cardona, I like Cardona, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So those are my three top cryptocurrencies that I like and that I feel like is gonna make us some money in the future, which has already been making us some money. If you're not in these plays, look to get into these plays at those areas that I just alerted to you guys. All right. So next, my stock trades. Yeah, I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right. So first chart, first play, ChargePoint, right? ChargePoint. I love ChargePoint, especially when we call it around the $18. This dip right here, when we caught that around that $18 area, perfect. I alerted the community members about this play when it hit $18. We waited for this drop. We waited for it to come down to 20. And it cracked 20, and I told everybody to load up. All right, so when we loaded up, now the stock price is at $21. So congratulations to the traders that's currently in. So ultimate price target $48.89. That's what we got. Only reason why is because of these old highs right there. Will it take a while for it to get there? Yes. Is ChargePoint the future? Yes. Charging station with this infrastructure bill coming, it's gonna be a great play, a great stock to be inside of right now. All right, so if you're not into this play, look to get in it at $20, right? If this hit $20 or below, please load up on this, right? We got the 50-day moving average right here sitting right here at like $21. The 200-day moving average is at $29. So usually stocks want to get to that 200-day moving average. So please don't miss that boat. As you can see, it's already starting to go above the 50-day moving average. Now, watch for this push up to $29 soon. All right, so that's ChargePoint. I love ChargePoint. It's the #1 charging station in America, along with EVgo with fast charging. We got Volta, we got Blink charging. So we got a couple of charging stations that we can get ready to play, or that we can play, or establish a position in. The infrastructure bill hasn't even been signed yet, so let's look to get into some of those. All right, next, they just had earnings today. Tesla. Everybody knows Tesla. Everybody see Tesla. Tesla is the future, not just for cars. That's not just the only catalyst Tesla has. They have SpaceX. So when SpaceX have a successful launch, people or traders automatically run to Tesla because Elon Musk owns this. All right, so if you're not into Tesla, Tesla just hit 875, and I told traders in our community group, usually once it hit 875, look for the push to $900. If it does not break 875, it will come back down to 850. And guess where the stock is at currently? The stock currently is at $851.81 right after earnings. All right, so if you're not in this play, you can look to get in it. Honestly, I like it around this top right here, this white line. Right, so usually green means buy, right? This is not financial advice. This is just entertainment purposes, just to throw that disclaimer out to you guys. All right, so as you can see, this was strong resistance right here. It broke resistance, and now resistance is now support, right? So watch for this stock to come all the way back down to $800. I think right here, you see this lower shadow right here. I really think this is a misprint. So I have to really check on this to see if this stock really fell down here today. But I really think that was a misprint. And the stock ended up coming right back down to $851, currently where it's sitting right there. All right, so Tesla, you got ChargePoint. One more of my favorite plays. Last but not least, I like this play. New Oriental Education. I love this play at 170. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to catch this at the 170, which is the bottom. I like catching stocks at the bottom. So this stock is currently at $2.50. So it is actually sitting right here at resistance. All right. So now, since this stock is sitting there at resistance, I'm expecting this stock to fall back down, right? So I really want to catch this at $2, or if it cracks this $2 mark, I really want to see it come down to 170, and that's where I would have majority of my buys in. I really want this at 170. All right, so the reason why this ended up falling, because the Chinese government put a law into place where education, like private education, is almost like illegal now in China. So this is a great company. They're looking to rebound. Go to their website, look at their investor presentations. I don't have time to do it right now, but look at their presentations. But keep this on your radar. Once this crack $2, look to get in at 170, 180, 175, around that area, in the $1 range, because this is the bottom. I don't think that this company will bankrupt. This is a good, solid company. They're still trying to make waves, and they're trying to make a way for that company to survive with that law that the Chinese government implemented earlier this year. So look for this. As you can see, that's why it's a big fall right here, big old gap. So usually I like to say stocks like to fill gaps. So if I do have my first target, it'll be around $6. So if I get in around $2, I'm looking at a 200% return right there. So look at this stock, keep this on your radar. Those are the 3 stocks that I currently like right now, other than a lot of other plays that we look at and that we're following right now. But those are my first top 3 plays that I like to be in right now, other than the airline stocks like LUV. LUV is under $50, so check that out. I like LUV, especially doing some call options, some like $51 call options. I love LUV, especially if you catch Southwest Airlines, which is LUV, at $46. You know what, let's just bring that up. So LUV, I love LUV, right? I love LUV, right? LUV. If you can catch Southwest Airlines around this $47, all right, so as you can see, it's trading within this channel. It's trading in this channel. I like this, especially if you can get some call options right at $47, right? The stock hit $47, get a $50 call option. As you can see, the stock is trading in this channel right here. $52, get a $50 call option. We have been playing this multiple times, right? So right here, $47, $52, $47, $52. So it is literally trading within the channel. So that's why I love playing Southwest Airlines, especially buying some call options. If you can get 1,000 shares, maybe 2,000 shares of this company, go ahead and load up around that $47 area and cash out at $50, $51, and for easy gains, as you can see, because it's trading in that channel. All right, until then, those are my 4 stocks and my 3 cryptocurrency plays that I like and that I play. And until then, that's it. Love you guys. Thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe, get into these plays, because these plays will not be around at these levels forever. All right. Until then, peace.